When we think of artificial intelligence today, one of the most important concepts is pattern recognition. But did you know that the roots of pattern recognition and machine learning date back to 1967? That's when the nearest neighbor algorithm was introduced, a game-changing tool initially designed to help salespeople find the most efficient routes. Let's dive into how this algorithm worked and why it's so important even today. Back in the day, salespeople were constantly on the road, visiting multiple cities to meet clients. The challenge, finding the best possible route to save time and effort. That's where the nearest neighbor algorithm came in. It was one of the earliest algorithms used to solve this problem. The algorithm works by first having the user select a starting city. Then, it checks all the nearby cities to find the closest one. Once that city is visited, it repeats the process, finding the next nearest city, and so on until all cities on the route are covered. This is a simple but powerful technique in machine learning. The nearest neighbor algorithm looks at the closest data points to make decisions. It's used not just in sales routes but also in classification tasks like recognizing patterns in data. Whether you're dealing with cities on a map or points in a dataset, the logic remains the same: find the closest neighbor. In modern machine learning, the nearest neighbor algorithm is used in tasks like image recognition, fraud detection, and recommender systems. By grouping similar data points, the algorithm helps make predictions about new data based on proximity to known points. While originally designed for sales routes, the nearest neighbor algorithm became a fundamental tool in AI. It laid the groundwork for how we approach pattern recognition and data classification today. Over time, the algorithm has evolved and become more complex, but its core principle remains the same: the ability to recognize patterns by comparing proximity to similar points is crucial to how AI models function, making this a milestone in machine learning history. So, next time you use a navigation app or get a recommendation online, remember that it all started with the nearest neighbor algorithm back in 1967. It's incredible how this simple concept evolved into the pattern recognition we see in modern AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech history content, and let us know in the comments what other algorithms or AI breakthroughs you'd like to hear about.